back to my channel. I hope you guys can hear me. If not, it's because I have the AC on and no air enters through my window. So, as you can see by the title, today I will be doing my eyebrows. I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. My eyebrows, they're not even, but whatever. Um, okay, so if you guys can see closely, I have not done my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are a totally different shape, in my opinion. But yeah, this is how my eyebrows like. My eyebrows are not dark. Like my eyebrows are very light. So yeah, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is just brushing my brows upwards. Um, yeah. When I recorded this video, I didn't know that you guys couldn't hear me, so that's why I'm doing like a voiceover. But like throughout the video, I was just talking and talking, talking. I forgot about what. But yeah. Right now I'm just trying to get some pomade. I use the e.l.f. pomade in the color medium brown, and the brush that I use is from It Cosmetics. What I like to do for my brows is I like to start underneath, like right there, and then I go up the top. You guys will see. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows once again and explaining, but apparently.
Okay, bitch, so at the moment, this time, my dog was fucking barking, and that bitch was getting on my fucking nerves. I was gonna throw her in the trash.
Anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna brush my brows and then keep on brushing them. Okay, so I like to start like not in the front, but like in the middle, and then and at towards the um arch. So this is what I mean. I start from there and I end from there. So I'm just gonna create the line and yeah, line it up just like that, and then I'm gonna go at the top and then create the line. I tend to do my eyebrows thick most of the time, and I'm trying to do them thin. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to create an arch from there. Okay, so now I'm gonna start doing the arch, and I am very careful with that part because like bitch. And then once I do the arch, I start doing the tail, and then I lined the tail from the top and then from the bottom. And you guys can see, but yeah, just like that. And then I'm gonna line it in the bottom like that. And then I don't want my tail to be too long, bitch, because there be bitches that do it too long. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the tip of my brow, and I'm gonna do it very gently because I don't like it too dark. So I'm gonna do it light and gently, just like that. And then I'm gonna start doing the top of my brow, gently and light, once again. And then right after I finish lining it up, I don't shade it in right away. I do the other eyebrow, and then when I'm done with both, I start to shade them in. So right now I'm just lining my brows, and I'm not gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it because it's the same steps as the other one. So I'm just gonna do it off camera and come back when I'm done lining them up. Okay, so now I'm gonna start shading in my brows, and I'm gonna start from there because that's the part where it's gonna be like dark, and then in the tip, like in the front, and is gonna be like faded. Not faded, but it's gonna be light. And so I'm just doing strokes and all that. I like to make my tail dark, even though my pomade isn't even that dark though. So okay, so now I'm just gonna do the other eyebrow. The same steps. Um, I didn't really shade in the tip of the brow because like it was already faded, like it was already there. But for this one, I am gonna shade it in just a little bit because um it wasn't like formed. So I'm just gonna fast forward this to the tip of the brows. Okay, so now I'm gonna shade in the tips and very gently. And I'm gonna shade it in with the leftover products that I have. And then I like to brush them out just to blend it in. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna start concealing my brows with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade 4, which is Natural Beige. And so this step is very simple. You're just concealing your brows and lining them and just correcting them. So it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna try to fast forward this so you guys won't get bored. Okay, so now I'm just gonna conceal the top of my brows. And it's pretty simple as well. You're just lining them up. So I'm just gonna fast forward this as well. Okay, so this is how the finishing of my eyebrow looks. They obviously aren't twins. they're not sisters, bitch. They're probably cousins or whatever. Bitch, I look so fucking red. What the fuck? But yeah, that's just how my brows look. I'm gonna show you how the rest of my makeup looks. Oh, and by the way, this is a day I filmed when Canelo and Triple G played. And I'm obviously uploading this the same night. And yeah.